Welcome to QMDJ. My name is Dr. Chen. Thank you for watching this video. In our case study today, we're going to touch base on how to use the flying horse to see the more information regarding a chart. So what is a flying horse? A horse is a situation whereby it's located in a chart, and this chart itself, every chart will have a horse. So one of the horse will tell us that it is not stable, or there could be a running away situation, or it could be related to anything that is oversea. But another situation of this horse is that you also have to look at the opposite box of this particular palace, which means that in the event that this palace is have a horse, in this case we have a box number 6. You see this box number 6, there is a horse. So let me circle it down. So there's a small little horse over here. So in this case, if we talk about a profit situation, then we have to look further into box number 4. That means it tells us additional information about the case itself. So if, let's say, if we want to see a divination for a profitability of a company, we base on a live door, it's already telling us that there's a serpent and there's a fearless, which usually we don't go for the divination. And with the horse, it goes directly opposite, and it also tells us the death door, bandit, and then the black tortoise. So in this situation, not only does the answer is giving us the bandit and the death door, plus the black tortoise, the serpent and the fearless together with the live door encompassed with this horse is directly telling us going further into the opposite box and refer. That means it's a double layer information telling us that in the event that if you do a divination under this kind of chart and you refer to box 4 two times, then at least we can be almost like 99% sure that this particular business, if you were to invest in, you will definitely lose money. You see, so this is how we use a flying horse in this aspect. That means it's not just about not being stable, but and also not related to just oversea. We can also refer to the opposite box and refer and see what are the information entails inside to tell us more layers. Okay, so this is what we call a flying horse. Thank you for watching this video. Please continue to check my other videos on other things. Thank you very much.